Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to explain what is Zapier and how it works in 2025 in the simplest way possible. If you are wondering how business and creators automate boring tasks like sending email, posting to social media, or saving data to Google Sheet, Zapier is the magic behind it. And the best part, you don't need to know any coding language. We will go step by step, create our first automation called Zap, and I will show you how to connect your favorite apps like Gmail, Google Drive, or Notion, and more. Now, what is Zapier? Zapier is an online automation platform. It lets you to connect different apps together so they can talk to each other and work automatically. For example, when someone fill out a form on your website, Zapier can send you a Slack message. Or when you upload a file to Google Drive, Zapier can create a task in Notion. This process is called Zap, and each Zap is made of two parts. Now you can so first part is triggered. When something happens like a new email arrives, it calls Zap triggered. Now the action. The second one is action. What is action? What should happen next, like saving that email to a spreadsheet, so it will decide that action. So let's get started with Zapier. First thing first, go to zapier.com and you will get to see this kind of interface if you are new, and you have to create your account if you are a new user. Then I have already created an account, so what I will do, I will just simply click on the login and it will redirect me to the login page, and click on the continue with the Google because my account is logged in with the Google, and I will give the permission. And as you can see here, this is the dashboard where your all most of the work will happen. So in the left side you will get to see this Zap. What does it mean? Zap is, these are your automations. So basically you can create Zaps. So and the second one is table. So table is basically Zapier's table is a no-code database that allows you to store, edit, share, and automate data in one place. So the tables do this thing. And if you talk about interface, so basically interface is you can create form, web pages, and app to power your business critical workflow that seamlessly connect to 6,000 application. As you can see here, they have lots of used templates like lead capture template, contact us form, and expenses form template. Now you can check it out that too. And if you go into app connections, in the app connection, here you can connect your tools like Gmail, Google Sheet, and etc. I have already connected this with Google Drive, so you can connect with anything. Now if you talk about the more, if you go in the discover, you will get to see this kind of use cases, like you can discover template for your needs and get started with automation. Here no code requires. You can use, for if you are a beginner, you can use these templates to get started. For example, they have lead tracker and they have email campaign portal template as well. So send new YouTube videos in Discord channel message. So they have lots of they have lots of templates which are pre-built, so you can use that for beginning. Now if you go to in the chatbot, this is a beta version. So this is kind of where you can build and share two chatbots using the functionality available, and our advanced plan, uh, you can build chatbots over here. They have already templates like AI chatbot for business template, so you can use these templates as well. So if you want to now this is a basic interface of Zapier. The more you explore the Zapier application, the more you will learn. So let's create a first Zap of our. Just simply click on the create. Now it will show you something like this: Zaps, tables, interface, chatbots, and canvas. So I will choose Zap because we are creating automatic something. So just simply click on the create Zap. So it will create something like this. Now if you want to learn a basics, you can watch their video over here. As you can see here, the Zap details, notes, change histories, Zap run status, advanced setting, and vision. So as you can see, I have already told you they have two types of events, which is triggered, action. Triggered is where you can trigger something, or you can give command something, and action is there. So it's like what should happen next. So yeah, you can add that. Now just search, choose triggered app, just simply click on this, and over here you have to choose triggered app. In this example I am using Google Drive, so what I will do, I will just simply select the Google Drive, and after that uh, now in the Google Drive we have to choose a triggered event. In the example, the Google Drive triggered event is like creating a new folder. Just simply go in and file in folder. Okay, there is an option which is file in folder, so it will do that. Now after that you can connect your Google account, and just simply select folder and choose Google Drive, my drive, choose the value like video upload. Just these are some only return not delete files. Okay, continue. Now I have already connected my Google Drive, so I don't need to connect again, so it will test. The test is successful. Now here you have to choose action. Now let's choose your action app as a Slack. What I will do, just click on the action and select Slack and choose Slack. Now in the action event, send channel message. The action event, you have to choose send channel message. Just scroll down a little bit, you will get to see this option, send channel message. Okay, there we go, just click on that. Now you have to choose your account. First you have to sign in. As you can see, just simply click on the sign in button. The sign up window will appear in front of you. Now just scroll down a little bit, just allow it to use Zapier to Slack. Now click on the continue. So you can choose whatever you want. For example, search query, you can add search query, you can sort by as well. So if you want to create automation related to Slack, just use these settings. Not exactly just, you can use these things. You can connect app with each other, as I did earlier. I created a Google Drive, and then as an action I created this Slack. So you can connect with this file. This is just was for example, I was not creating automation or something. So yeah, in 2025 Zapier has added AI tools to make your life easier. And now Copilot will suggest, you can just customize it, just working some magic. When I get a new lead in Typeform, send me an email and create a Notion page. So Zapier AI will automatically suggest the app, set up a trigger and action, and show you a ready to edit app. Just simply test it. So it is giving error, skip the test, and yeah, hit the continue. So continue. So yeah, you can use Zapier AI to make, or you can use ChatGPT or Claude AI as well. For example, so you can use ChatGPT as well to create your automation in Zapier. As you can see here, I have given the prompt where I wanted to create automation where the user, whenever the Google Drive gets updated, the Google Sheet should be also updated. So I don't need to go into Google Sheet and update my work. So you can make a workflow like this. So that's it. So that's a basic where you can create a workflow of Zapier. Like You can modify and activate it with the one click, and this is great for beginners who don't know how to build logic. So you can use Zapier for automating simple tasks like, yeah. Now let's explore a few more tools inside the Zapier. If you click on the transfer, let's try to make our workflow with the AI. As you can see here, AI beta. And what you can do is just simply, when I add message into Slack with emoji, then you create Trello board. Just simply, we are using Magic AI to create a Zap. This may take a few seconds. So you can use this AI to, you know, to automate simple tasks. It cannot, it's still in the beta version, so you cannot, you cannot use for complex workflows. I think you can use, but you have to add more things. You have to connect all of those things. So okay, he has created a basic workflow like new reaction added, just simply test triggered. I think triggered should be successful. Create a reaction in your account and test it again. So we will go into our Slack. Just simply go in the Slack, go to sign up. So what I have to do is just set up new reaction added in the new channel. So okay, so I have to, I think I have to sign up first, and just simply click on the continue with the Google. So we are just trying this automation. You can just give me a second. So you have to connect your application. Like I have connected this one, but I'm not able to create a connection between a Trello. I think I am making some mistake. So you have to connect in a very well, but the way it created automation, it's great, I think. And here, and you don't need to make apps in a different way. As you can see here, you can use AI to create a basic workflow. So yeah, you if you talk about like exploring more few tools inside the Zapier, there is a like tool called transfer. It moves existing data between apps in bulk. For example, it will move all the old Google mails into Notion. Now if you talk about tables, Zapier tables, so it's basic like a built-in database, stored structured data you can use in your Zaps. Now Zapier interface is like build form, dashboard and apps without code. So you can basically build apps and forms without coding. Zapier chatbot is like you can AI bots that connect with your Zap. You can connect automation, your automation with the AI bots as well. This tools makes easier Zapier more than just automation. It's now a no-code app builder too. You can use for making your YouTube workflow. Now you can set up automation tools like you can use Magic Canva to create a simple video showing how to these app looks like, just creating by workflow. So if you talk about pros and cons of Zapier, it's like it's no coding needed. You can connect with 6,000 application. It will save your hours of manual work. It offers free plans available and AI tools simplify everything. Now if you talk about cons, some advanced features are locked in the paid plan. It can be tricky to debug error in the complex Zaps. Free plans has limited runs per month, but overall it's one of the best tools for creators, marketer and business. You now understand what is Zapier, how it works step by step, how to create your own Zapier, and what tool it offers, and how to use AI to automate faster. If this helped you, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel and drop a comment if you want to a full tutorial on Zapier interface or tables.